much that Krishna comes from one side and Balram comes from one side, but she never realizes, right? So both of them, Krishna Balram, also stand along with Subhadra and listen to Rohini Mata's Vrindavan Katha, right? So now it's like reminding them about their own sweet pastimes, right? So they get so ecstatic, and eyes become big. They smile and laugh at the same time. They enjoy the nectar so much that they go to this ecstatic bhav, right? Like literally, in literal sense, they go to this ecstatic bhav where their hands and legs shrink. Hands and legs literally go inside the body, right? When we also, it seems that actually such things happen, doctors say, but just that we have not gone into such high emotional stage, psychic emotional stage. If we it happens to any normal person also, is what I've heard. Right, so they went into that deep stage where hands and legs shrunk, right? That's why Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra, if you see in the picture, no hands, no legs, right? And they're just like dolls, wooden dolls, and eyes became big. No eyelashes literally went inside the eyes. Took over everything, right? So that was the form they got. They were cherishing and relishing the Vrindavan pastimes. They were falling in love with all the gopis and the treatment they used to get there, the gopabalas and everything, right? So that is the form. That form of Krishna is called Jagannath. So he is Krishna himself, Dwaraka Krishna, but the name alone is different. That's it, right? So he is not an expansion. He's Krishna himself, but a little bit different in the makeup, right, or the form. That's it. And one more difference is wooden deities, right, and no hands and legs. Yeah. So that is the forms. That's why because Krishna and Balram come on the either side, Subhadra is in the between, right? So it's the same form which is worshipped in Jagannath Puri, right? So that, yeah, Rath Yatra is coming. Snan Yatra happened. Snan Yatra is the day they were carved and installed in the temple. Birthday of Jagannath. Snan Yatra was on 11th, right? That finished, and now they. Anybody knows this ritual? What happens after Snan Yatra?
For 15 days, they have, after this Yatra, they get cold, fever. For 15 days, they will not come out. After 15 days, Rath Yatra will be there when we can get the darshan of the Lord. So, this fever is actually because of the transcendental love that they have towards the devotees. That's why they are getting Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you so much. Yeah, fever is actually, it is said that because of the Snan Yatra, no, whole day they were bathed. Whole day it's Abhishekam. So it's they get cold, cough, fever, everything. It's all, it's not that Krishna will get fever. It's a kind of exchange of love. It's a transcendental exchange of love happening between the devotees and the Lord, right? So these now, right now, it is all closed. Jagannath is not available for darshan. We alternatively we go to Alarnath temple nearby Jagannath Puri, right? And now he's given liquid diets. Chappan Bhog is not given during this time. All liquid diets is given so that he'll recover fast. All three, Jagannath, Subhadra and Baladev, they're treated like small children, and they're taken care. They are put woolen clothes and all that. Can you imagine, right? And then what happens after fever and once they recover, they come and they give darshan, right? The actual desire is to go and meet the mother, right? So where do they go? Where are they taken in the ratha?
Gundicha,
Gundicha temple. Yeah, who is Gundicha?
it's wife of that king.
Wife of the king, and she considers Jagannath to be her very dear son, right? So now she is very upset. Oh, Jagannath has fallen ill and he is not able to eat properly. He is on liquid diets. So she gets a desire. I want to serve my son with lot of nice items and all. So once he gets well, he wants to see his mother and eat all nice items, because he is also like now, oh, I'm fully given liquid diets, right? So all the three go there on the ratha. They go meet the mother, spend some time there, eat nicely, and then they come back. That is the whole ritual of Rath Yatra, right? So that's the story behind it. So Jagannath Ashtakam is very, very dear to Lord Jagannath, right? And it's very auspicious to sing. From the day of Snan Yatra, this is sung continuously in many ISKCON temples, right? Continuously till Rath Yatra returns, right? After till the return of Rath Yatra, this is sung continuously every evening. It's very, very dear to Jagannath. And Jagannath is more merciful than Krishna. He doesn't take offense. Krishna takes offenses, right? But Jagannath, whatever offense you do, he doesn't look at that, right? He has big eyes to do look at only the giving side of the devotees or the love devotees have. All the offenses that devotees have, he never cares to look at it. That's the difference between Jagannath and Krishna, right? Although they are the same, the form, because he is high in ecstasy, right? So he's very merciful. Okay, and he's in the separation from Radharani. Radharani means more merciful than Krishna, because he wants more Radharani, that mercy impact is also more, right? So that's why. Okay, let's begin today's uh, first para. Try and see how many we can do today, right? So yeah, so let me just sing the whole thing first, and then we'll go by para. कदाचित् कलिन्दीत तवीपीन सङ्गीतकरावो मुडाभिरीनारीवदन कमलास्वादा मधुपा रमा शम्भु ब्रह्मामरपति गणेशाजीतपदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे भुजे सव्यवेणुं शिरसि शिखि पुच्छं कटितटे दुःखूलं नेत्रान्ते सहचराकटं विधदते वृन्दावनवसति लीला परिचयो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे महाम्बुदेस्तीरे कनकरुचिरे नीलाशिखरे वसन् प्रसादन्ता सहजा बलभद्रेण बलिना सुभद्रा मध्यस्था सकलसुरसेवावसरदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे कृपा परावार सजला जला श्रेणीरुचिरो स्फुरदमलपङ्केरुहमुखा सुरेन्द्रैराराध्या श्रुतिगणशिखा गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे रथारूढो गच्छन् पतिमीलिता भूदेवापतलै स्तुति प्रधुर्भावं प्रतिपदमुपाकर्ण्य सदया दया सिन्धुर्बन्धु सकल जगतं सिन्धु सुतया जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे परा ब्रह्मपीडा कुवलया दलोत्फुल्ला नयनो निवासी नीलाद्रौ निहितचरणो अनन्तशिरसि रसानन्दो राधा सरसवपुरालिङ्गनसुखो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे न वैयाचि राज्यं न च कनकमाणिक्यवैभवम् न याचे अहं रम्यं सकलजनकाम्यं वरवधुम् सदा काले काले प्रमथ पठिना गीताचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे हरत्वं संसारं द्रुततरम् असारं सूरपते हरत्वं पपानं विततम् अपरं याधवपते अहो दीननाथेन हितचरणो निश्चितमिदम् जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथाष्टकं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयताशुचि सर्वपापा विशुद्धात्मा विष्णुलोकं स गच्छति. Hare Krishna. So this is how it. So the pronunciations, it's normal Sanskrit. Always for pronunciations, we need to check KK songs. That shows how to pronounce. I mean, it has nice script, right? So here it's easier. So where there is a dash on top, you need to elongate, drag that vowel, and where there is a dot below, you need to pronounce it in a little different way. Like if there is no dot, it is ta, and if there is a dot, it becomes ta, tata, right? It's not tata or tata, it's ta, ta, right? And if there is a dot on top, you need to stress on that, like Sangeeta, right? And if there is the symbol on S, then it's Sha, it's not Sa, right? So these are like normal Sanskrit shloka rules, right? So that way it is easy to pronounce. And yeah, so now we'll start first verse, right? You all can repeat after me. Who wants to try first? Who wants to go first?
Oh, I'll try, Mataji.
Yes, Vapsi. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
कदाचित् कलिन्दीतटवीपीन सङ्गीतकरावो
कदाचित् कालिन्दी तटविपिन सङ्गीतकरो
मूढाभिरी नारीवदना कमलास्वादा मधुपा
मुदाभिरी नारी वदन कमल स्वदा मधुपा
रमा शम्भु ब्रह्मामरपत् शाचितपदो
रमा शम्भु ब्रह्मामरपति गणेश चितपदो
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे.
Hari Bol. Thank you so much. So what does it mean? Kadachit Kalindi Thata. Tata means bank, right? So sometimes in great happiness, Lord Jagannath makes a loud concert with his flute in the grooves on the banks of Yamuna. Kalindi means Yamuna river, right? Tata means bank. So on the banks of the Yamuna, he makes a loud concert with his flute. And he is like a bumblebee tasting the beautiful lotus-like faces of the cowherd damsels of Raja. and his personalities and great personalities like Lakshmi, Shiva, Brahma, Indra, and Ganesha worship his lotus feet. May that Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision. So Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami. Nayana means eyes, right? Nayana Patagami Bhavatu means may, right? I mean, Bhavatu means may this happen, right? Jagannath Swami, vision of Jagannath Swami always be in my eyes. That is the meaning of this line. Very famous line, right? Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami. We always sing this in bhajans also, right? So meaning is Kadachit Kalindi Tata Vipina Sangeeta Karavo. So he is having a concert with his flute, right, on the grooves, on the banks of the Yamuna. Mudhabiri Nari Vadana Kamalaswada Madhupa, right? So it is said beautifully that he is like a bumblebee tasting the beautiful lotus faces of the cowherd damsels of Radha. So when Krishna starts playing the flute, right, all gopis used to come and stand and dance right in front of him and things like that. And what does Krishna do at that time? He used to take pleasure just by looking at the faces, beautiful faces of the gopis, right? They used to get ready and come just to make Krishna happy, right? So that is full of Shringar Bhav, I mean Madhurya Rasa, where just to make Krishna happy, they used to get ready. They used to not get ready for themselves. And Krishna used to take pleasure just by looking at the faces of the gopis on the banks of Vrindavan, right? And Rama is Lakshmi, Shambhu is Shiva, Brahma is who Brahmadev, right? And then Amarapati is Indradev. Then Ganesha is Lord Ganesha, Archita. They all worship the lotus feet of Krishna, right? And such Jagannath should always be my object of vision, right? That's the meaning. Very easy. If you know the meaning, then even pronunciations become better, and even you can remember the lyrics also, right? And bhav comes when you know the meaning, right? So we can visualize, no, how beautiful Krishna might stand there and play the flute, and all the gopis will come in front of him, and Krishna will take pleasure just by looking at the faces of the gopis. And then such a lotus feet of the Lord is worshipped not just by gopis, by Brahma, Indra, Lakshmi, right? Everybody worships, and such a form should be my object of vision. Can you imagine? Right? So this is a prayer also for the Lord, to the Lord, saying, let me see only the Lord and nobody else. Right? Okay, anybody wants to try the first para?
Manji will repeat after you, Mataji. Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji. कदाचित् कलिन्दित तवेपीन सङ्गीत करावो
कदाचित् कालिन्दीता विपिन सङ्गीतकारवो
मूढा नारी वदन कमलस्वादा मधुपा
नाभिरिनारी वदन कमलस्वाद मधुपा
रमा शंभु ब्रह्मामरपति गणेशाचितपदो
रमा शम्भु ब्रह्मा मरपति गणेशाचितपदो
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे.
Hari bol. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Anybody else wants to try this first para? Just try, if you know by yourself. Yes, Mataji, Archana Mataji.
Mataji, after you, Mataji, I don't know to try on my own.
Then we'll do second para.
Yes, okay, Mataji.
भुजे सव्ये वेणुं शिरसि शिखापुच्छं कटितटे
भुजे सेव्यवेणुं शिरसि शिखपिच्छं कटितटे
दुःखूलं नेत्रान्ते सहचरा कटाक्षं विधदते
दुकूलं नेत्रान्ते सहचरकटाक्षं विदते
सदा सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावनवसति लीला प्रपरिचयो
सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावनवसति लीला परिचयो
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पादगामी भवतु मे. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, so what does this mean? In his left hand, Jagannath holds a flute. On the head, he wears a peacock feather, and on his hips, he wears a fine yellow silken cloth. From the corners of his eyes, he bestows sidelong glances upon his loving devotees, and he always reveals himself through his pastimes in the divine abode of Vrindavan. May that Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision. So beautiful, right? So Bhuje Savya Venum, right? So on the left hand, he holds Venum or the flute. Shirasi Shika Pichum Katitate. That means on the head he wears peacock feather. Dukulam Netrante. Dukulam means yellow. Pichum means yellow colored clothes, right? Dukulam means clothes. He wears it. Netrante Sahachara. Kataksham. Sidelong glances of the eyes, right? So through eyes, he gives sidelong glances upon his loving devotees. All right. So understanding meaning will always help, right? And he gives mercy. Sidelong glances means he gives mercy upon his devotees. Sada Srimad Vrindavane Vasati Leela Parichayo. Through his leelas, right, he reveals himself. He introduces himself to us through his leelas, right? And Jagannath, let that Jagannath be the object of my vision, right? So that's the meaning. You can all picturize, you can visualize when we sing, right? So very beautiful. So Jagannath Ashtakam is all about glorifying Jagannath, and it gives him lot of pleasure. And it seems that a lot of people in Puri feel that when you sing such songs that glorify the Lord, right, during this time, he recovers faster, his fever will go faster, is what they say, right? And we'll get mercy also faster, right? When we sing every day. Many ISKCON temples sing this every day, starting from Snan Yatra till the return of Jagannath Rath Yatra. Okay. Now, who wants to try this? Now that we know the meaning? Anyone? Yes? You can repeat after me. Who wants to try?
I try, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
After you.
Yeah. भुजे सव्यवेणुं शिरसि शिखापिच्छं कटितटे
भुजे सव्यवेणुं शरसि चिकीपित्तं कटितटे
दुकूलं नेत्रान्ते सहचराकटाक्षं विधदते
दुकूलं नेत्रान्ते सहचरकटाक्षं विदधते
सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावनवसति लीलापरिचयो
सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावनवसति लीला परिचयो
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Okay, so the meaning is we can make out, right? Dukhulam means the clothes, Picham means yellow color. So when you sing, right, with the words, if you make out the meaning, then only the emotions will come, right? And we can sing better, right? Okay. So next, we'll finish this and then we will close for the day. Okay. Anyone wants to try? Who wants to sing along? Sing after.
Shall I try?
Yeah,
Mataji?
Mataji, you want to try? Yeah, anybody? Yes, Vanaja Mataji, you want to try?
Hare Krishna Mataji, yes, I will try.
Yeah,
After you, but
it's easy. It's easy. Follow this pronunciation. No shloka. When you sing shloka, whatever pronunciation, the same way you need to sing. Mahambodhe stire kanakaruchire nila shikhare.
महाम्बोधसे तीरे कनकारुचिरे नीलाशिखरे
वसन् प्रसादान्ता सहजा बलभद्रेण बलिना
वसन् प्रसादन्ता सहजा बलभद्रेण बलिना
सुभद्रा मध्यस्था सकलसुरस सेवा सरदो
सुभद्रा मध्यस्थः सकलासुरसेवावसरदो
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे
Hari bol, very nice. Thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you very much Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, so what does this say? Mahambodhe stire kanaka ruchire neela shikhare. Krishna, I mean Jagannath pranam mantra is Neelachala nivasaya nityaya paramatmane balabhadra subhadram cha Jagannathaya te namaha. Right? Neelachala nivasaya means Neela Shikara. Right? Neelachala means it's the name of the mountain is Neelachala, or it's called Blue Mountains. Right? And here also it is said Neela Shikare means Krishna is high up. Where is Jagannath Puri Jagannath temple? It's high up on Nilachara mountains, right? I mean, that's what it is said, right? So that's why we say Nilachala Nivasaya Nityaya Paramatmane Balabhadra Subhadramscha Jagannathaya Te Namaha. On the shore of the great ocean, within the large palace atop the brilliant golden Nilachala hill, Lord Jagannath resides with his powerful brother Subhadra and his sisters, brother Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra, who sits between them. May that Jagannath Swami, who bestows the opportunity of devotional service upon all godly souls. Right? So this is the meaning. What is it? Here it's given. From the this thing itself you can make out. Right? He's on the Nilachala mountains, and Sahaja Balabhadra Balina on the it's explained Subhadra Madhyastha. So either side, right? So Jagannath, it's Jagannath, then in the middle is Subhadra, and it is Balabhadra, right? Or Baladev. Sakala Sura Seva Vasarado. Right? He is the object of worship for all, even demigods worship him, right? And he gives the opportunity of devotional service upon all the godly souls, right? May he be the vision of object of my vision. Okay, so that's the meaning. Anybody wants to try again?
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
But in the meaning, why it is said as golden Nilachala mountain, Kanakaruchire. So, Nilachala mountain is a blue mountain. Then what is the significance of golden there?
I'm not sure. Maybe it's golden mountains.
Yeah, because so nicely you're explaining. So between the lines, I'm reading the meaning for the first time properly, sincerely. So I could find out Kanakaruchire, golden Nilachala mountain. So Nilachala is blue mountain.
Golden.
Why it is golden?
Let's see if there's something that Prabhupada has told about it. Nothing. Mandara mountain. No, Mataji. I'll find out and I'll let you know why it's
Please,
called.
Mataji, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna, thank you very much.
Hare Krishna. So yeah, who wants to try this?
Shall I try, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah. Go ahead. You want to try after me?
Yes, after you, Mataji.
Mahambodhe stire kanakaruchire nila shikhare.
महाम्बोधि स्फीरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे
वसन् प्रसादान्ता सहज बलभद्रेण बलिना
वसन् प्रसादान्ता सहज बलभद्रेण बलिना
सुभद्रा मध्यस्थ सकलासुरा सेवावसरदो
सुभद्रा मध्यस्था सकल सुरसेवा वसरदो
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे।
Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Mataji.
Thank you all. Yeah, so next class we will try and finish the remaining verses. So try to sing this, right? Very auspicious to sing, at least during this time, during Rath Yatra time, right? Jagannath is very merciful. We can please him very easily by doing such small things like singing and all that. Hare Krishna. So,
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
any other questions? Anything else? Why is it called golden? I will find out and I'll let you know for sure. Hare
Okay,
Krishna.
Mataji. Hare Krishna. Pranam, Mataji. Thank you so much.
भ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः अनंतकोटि वैष्णव की जय श्रील प्रभुपाद
Jai.
हरे
Jai.
थैंक यू
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you
Krishna.
Mataji.